What is going on, everybody? It's Dave here, always helping you play creatively. Today we're gonna look at an arpeggio, a really simple arpeggio, but hey, don't despise simple things, because really it's in learning simple things that you move on and progress to more advanced, complex ideas. And sometimes simple things actually have a whole lot of weight to them. Just because something is simple doesn't mean it isn't beautiful. And so there's this progression that I like to play, this arpeggio in my left hand that I often use it when I'm playing many songs or when I'm just playing some background music. And so here we go. It's really simple. So what's happening here? I'm in the key of C major and I'm playing a C, B, A, and an F, E, D. Now, I went ahead and told you those letter names, but it's really going to be important that you know the numbers for what I'm playing. So this C, B, A is for my C major chord, and the numbers are 1, 7, 6. 1 is the first note within the C major scale. B, is the seventh note within the C major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And A is the sixth note within the C major scale. Now let's move over to the F. Think of F as your 1. 1, 7, 6. So 1, 7, 6. 1, 7, 6. All right, here's me playing a C major chord in my right hand to an F major chord, along with that arpeggio in my left. Here we go. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more in my right hand, a little bit more rhythmic ideas. Okay, let's try to apply this in another key so we can have just another reference point for what's going on. Let's do this in the key of, let's go to F. In F major, we are looking at F, E, D, or 1, 7, 6. And then we're gonna move over to the B flat. 1, 7, 6. Or B flat, A, G. All right? Now let's try that there. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more instrumentation to this to see what happens, you know? It's one of those things that's so simple, and yet I really enjoy just playing that repetitiously. I don't know if repetitiously is a word, but I certainly just enjoy continually playing that, all right? So anyway, it's a really simple progression, arpeggio for your left hand, but it certainly will add some depth to your playing. Hey, if you want to grow in your piano journey, I certainly recommend you check out our website, Play-Creatively, where you can learn so much on the piano with passing chords, substitutions, arpeggios, worship piano music, and so much more. And guess what? You can get started for free. Well, until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.